Okay, so we can use a Google form to collect information about our multimedia product. But before we can do that, we need to come up with some questions. So first thing I'm going to do is just add a title to my form. And then in the subheading, I'm just going to add the aims of my product. Okay, so now that your audience has some background information on the actual aim of your product, you can start coming up with some questions. Now you need to come up with about 10 questions which covers the different areas of your multimedia product. So you may wish to ask questions about the actual content, and by content I mean the images and text. You may want to ask questions about the navigation system. Is it easy to use? Does it work? Or maybe the multimedia elements, the video, the sound, the animations. Now in this video I'm going to show you how to set up a couple of different types of questions. Then it's going to be up to you to design your own questionnaire. Now the first type of question I'm going to show you is a simple yes or no answer. So first of all, in the question title I write in the question. If I wanted to, I could add some help text in here if I thought the question was going to be quite confusing, but it's fairly straightforward. I then go to question type, and I want a multiple choice. Then in the different options, I just put in the options, so it's going to be yes or no. And the last thing I'm going to do is make this a required question. That means that before the user can actually submit the answers, they must answer this question. Once I'm happy with the question, I just click done. If I wanted to amend that question at all, if I hover over it, you'll see it highlight yellow, and I can just click on the edit tool. If I wanted to get rid of this question at a later date, I can just click on the trash can tool to delete. So next question, I'm going to show you how to add a scale answer. So I type in the question. And for this one, I'm just going to add a bit of help text in. Now to add a scale type answer, click on the drop down and go to scale. My scale is going to be between 1 and 10. So 1 is not appropriate. 10 would be very appropriate. And again, I'm going to make this a required question, and click done. Now to add another question, I just go to add item at the top, and I can choose what type of answer I'd like my question to fall under. So I'm going to go with multiple choice again, and a new question will appear. Now it's your turn. I'd like you to create a new Google form and come up with at least 10 questions to ask people to get feedback about your multimedia product.